Hello, my beautiful people. Hello, all my old subscribers. I love you all. The new ones, thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare flower pastes. Like this channel, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Hit the notification button to know when I upload another video. See you. Yeah, guys, preparing this flour paste recipe. These are the recipes. Here I have my Crisco. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of Crisco. Then this is icing sugar. This is 500 grams. 500 grams. Then I'm using 1 egg. 1 egg. I'm using only the white of it. Then this is my gelatin. This gelatin I'm going to use 4 tablespoons. Then my CMC 4 tablespoons. Then water, I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of water to prepare this flour paste. So I'm going to sieve the icing sugar. In case there is lump, that is the reason you sieve your icing sugar, so that it will give you a smooth paste. So making your flour paste, you don't pour the icing sugar direct. You sieve it. You see how it is? See the lumps here? So you try to sieve it to avoid the lumps. Now it is smooth. You can see that. Very smooth. So we are going to add the egg white into it. So we are going to use only the egg white. Only the egg white. This is hot water, so I'm going to sit my bowl in it, then sit the bowl on it, then measure my cold water. Remember, I'm using 3 tablespoons, so that's 3 tablespoons. So I'm going to add my gelatin. Remember, 4 tablespoons is my measuring spoon. That's 2, 3, then 4. And we stir it. And I'm going to add my CMC 4 tablespoons. this measuring spoon. This you can equally add it to the icing sugar. One, two, three, then four. Mix it. Mix it very well. Perfect. I'm adding my Crisco now. 2 tablespoons of Crisco. You can melt it and measure it and add it. I'm adding my egg white. And I'll add the gelatin and the So your flower paste is ready. Use it for any flower design. See how it is. If it is too hard, you add a little water to make it workable. So see you in my next video. Love you.